Well, hello everyone. This is a really quick video. This is something that I've been waiting for a long time. If you all been keeping up with anything that's going on right now, uh, vinyl records are taking a very long time to be pressed because pressing plants are either closing or just running out of supplies or employees. So as a result, we are forced to linger in limbo until we can get our records. So this is I just got an album in the mail. I ordered it several months ago when I saw it was announced. Are you a fan of 60s surf rock? Are you a fan of instrumental music? Are you a fan of Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then look no further than the Blue Stingrays. This is the re-release of their one and only album called Surf and Burn, which was released in 1997. This is their debut. It's their final album through Epitone Records. This was so exciting for me to see that this was going to be released. This thing has been out of print for well over 20 years now, and I'm just so happy to finally have a copy of it. It came out, I was very young when it came out, so I knew nothing about it. I actually didn't learn about this album until about 3-4 years ago due to Tom Petty Radio. So, let me tell you a little bit. This album was released in 1997. It's all instrumental surf music. It includes a cover of the song Goldfinger from James Bond, and if you can see there on the back, it has like the old 60s albums, other releases by the Blue Stingrays, when in reality, this is all they had. Not only that, there's no pictures of the band, and I'm going to open this up in a minute. I haven't opened up the contents yet. I've just slit the side. But this was comprised of Mike Campbell, lead guitarist of the Heartbreakers, Benmont Tench, keyboard player for the Heartbreakers, Ron Blair, original bassist of the Heartbreakers, who he was not touring with the Heartbreakers at this time. He actually came back to play with Mike and Benmont, and it was kind of like a reunion for those original Heartbreakers. I think it had been about 15 or so years since he had last played with Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. And then on drums was Randall Marsh, who is the drummer for Mudcrutch, which was Tom Petty, Mike Campbell, and Benmont Tench's band before the Heartbreakers. So you have 3 Heartbreakers on here. You have a member of Mudcrutch with them. And what's so funny about this album is that there's a faux history about the band, talking about them starting in 1959 in Southern California, talking about, fake executives and things like that. But anyway, I'm not going to get too into this album. There are clips on YouTube that you can listen to of the actual music, but this is the first time it's been on vinyl. I want to say, I don't think it actually was ever released on vinyl, so that's kind of cool. But what's so cool about this album, and let me see, there's nothing else in there. This was a limited edition record in terms of this color. It's still being sold on black vinyl, but if I can open her up here, and I know Gary at Physical Format Rock and Roll also got this album. Oh my word, look at that. That is beautiful on the Epitone label. It's like I think they called it a surf color record. That beautiful blue marble. Oh, I just want to frame that. Oh, that's beautiful. And there's nothing in the dead wax. Just has the track listing on side A and side B. So if you again, if you like this kind of music, check it out. If you like the Heartbreakers, check it out. And I can't wait to give this a listen. So thank you everybody for watching, and I will talk to you all very, very soon. Take care.